Listen to me carefully. In a world where everyone posts everything, where people share their tears, their money, their fights, their plans, Allah is teaching us something very different. Silence can be worship. Privacy can be protection. Restraint can be strength. The Prophet ﷺ taught us that whoever believes in Allah and the last day should speak good or remain silent. That is not weakness, that is wisdom. Today I want to remind you of something serious. There are things you should never tell anyone, not even family, not even close friends. And I say this with love because many good people in America today are hurting, not because of enemies, but because they overshared with people they trusted too quickly. The first thing you should never share openly is your private sins. If Allah covered it, why would you uncover it? The Prophet ﷺ warned us that all of his nation will be forgiven except those who publicize their sins. A person commits a sin at night, Allah covers it, and in the morning he says, I did this and that. He removes the cover that Allah placed over him. My dear sister, my dear brother, when Allah hides your mistake, that is mercy, that is love. Do not turn that mercy into a story for attention. Do not make your weakness